What's up, guys? Welcome back to Sham. Today's video I'm going to be making this little guy. Now this design comes from one my brother got off the internet and tweaked and modified it to his liking, and then I took it and modified it to my liking, and I'll be modifying as I work on it as well. But I thought it looked pretty cool, so I'm going ahead and give it a go and see if I like how it comes out. Let's get started. What I have right here is a stick of 1/8 inch thick ADCR V2, and that's what I'm going to be using for my steel. Normally whenever I make a mono steel knife, I like to use 52-100 or ADCR V2 for my mono steel knives, for my high carbon mono steel knives, because I really like those steels and I like working with them. And I use 1084 and 15 and 21 I do Damascus. Those are basically the steels I work with. But for today we're working with ADCR V2, so we're gonna mark our template out and get to work. Alright guys, so the temper went well. Everything's looking all good, nice and straight. Now it's time to grind in the bevels. But one thing I was noticing was that the handle, though comfortable, it seems a little wide. Once I put on my scales, it might be a little wider than what I would like. So I'm thinking I'm going to take just a tad bit off the top and a tad bit off the bottom as I grind, and we'll see how much more comfortable it gets. This is still just a prototype, just playing with it, but I think it's going to be a fun little knife. Alright guys, so the knife has been hand sanded up to 400 grit. I sprayed it with some WD-40 to keep it from oxidizing. It's looking pretty good now. So now I'm going to start working on the handles. This is a Wenge. It's an African wood, and it's a really dense wood, very waterproof, very oily. I'm gonna be using it for the handle. I think it's gonna look very nice on here with this knife. Alright guys, so the knife is nice and dry. It's the next day, and it's time to start grinding this bad boy out and start shaping it up. Alright guys, now that the handle is done, it's time for the final sharpening. So far so good. I like it. I thinned down the handle quite a bit, but since it's a little wider than I normally do, it's actually still pretty comfortable and I like it. Feels pretty good in the hand, especially with the shape. It just hugs your hand really nicely. And so far so good. I'm really liking it. So next up, I'm going to take the tape off and gonna sharpen it. Alright guys, so that's the end of this build. The knife came out great. I really like the feel of it. It's extremely sharp, and it's only a 220 grit sharpening, because I think that's pretty nice for this kind of knife, since it's a very grippy but still very sharp, as you can see with the paper, and it did a very good job. So I'm very happy with this guy and how it turned out. If I would do anything different, I think I would maybe make the handle a little bit less wide and maybe make the scales a little thicker. I kind of overdid it on the grinding, but like I said, it actually works very well since it's a little bit wider than I'm used to doing for a handle, and because of the curve, it holds very well in the hand. Alright guys, so I'm gonna quickly plug in my Instagram. Be sure to, it's in the description down below. Be sure to give me a follow there. I'm going to be posting more regularly on there, so if you want to see what kind of knives and builds I have in progress and what kind of things I have available, be sure to check that out. As always, subscribe. We're almost to 60,000, so it'd be great if you guys subscribed and joined the group, and I will catch you guys on the next one.